Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to customize a invoice in QuickBooks Online, then this video is for you. You can customize an existing or saved invoice that you have saved on your QuickBooks Online and you want to send it later, but you want to customize it right now, so you can do it easily from QuickBooks Online, or you can easily customize an invoice from scratch. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account online, then with your login credentials like your email address and the password, and select your company. Then you can find the company's dashboard. Now once you have all this dashboard, you can find sales option at the left side navigation section where you can find invoices. Simply click on invoices, where you can find all the invoices that you have saved. So from here you can find that all the invoices that you have saved like due here. So you have to do is simply click on this edit option here, so view or edit, so where you can easily customize that invoice that you have already set it. You can change the location and the customer email address, also the invoice date and the due date, and also the product details from here, each and every part you want. Also you can change the amount, the rate here also, and the messages. Then you can save and send it again after customizing it. So I'm going to save it, so I'm going to close it right now. I don't want to save it right now. So you can also make it or mark it as you have received the payment. So simply click on receive payment. So you can see it has just save and close. You have to simply click on it and you can find it is deposited just like this. Now also you can create a new invoice by simply this plus new button here, where you can find customers, and here you can find invoice. Simply click on invoice, where you will be able to add the customer name from here by this drop down. Then it will add the customer email address if it's associated with that customer name. Then you can add the billing address and the invoice date from here, and the due date also. After adding that, you can add the service date from here. Like I'm going to add the service date and the product or service that you are delivered, then the description and quantity. If you don't have added that product yet, then you can simply click on this plus add new button here to add a new product. Now you can select the quantity if you want, so then you can find the amount here and the per piece rate here, and also you can select the text from here. So once you have selected it, you can also add some lines here, or you can clear some lines, or you can add subtotals here if you want. So you can add it like exclusive text or inclusive text, just like this, or exclusive tag here, or out of scope of text here. You can change the text or remove the text options from here. So simply you can add the message on invoice that you want to add, any greeting or thanks message, or any instruction message on a statement. Then you have to do is simply click on save and send. Now you can also add some attachment as some image or documents that you want to send to your customers through the email address with associated with your invoice. So simply click on save and send. Then you can edit the email here, that you can select the Gmail where you want to send it, then the subject line from here, each and every part, also the body text that you want to use it as a greeting message. So once you have done it, you can find the preview from here the right side. Then simply click on send and close. It will send immediately this message to that expected customer's email address that you have added. So just like this, you can customize any invoice if you want, and you can also customize a invoice from scratch. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.